Hello, welcome to my second video. Today we are in Lelong, the fish market. We wanna know about the price of fish, and then the last one we are gonna compare about the others fish market, maybe in Pottery. And now let's join with us. And now we will ask about the fish price and to the fisherman and the fish seller. Berapa nih kan, Kak? 60. Berapa biji nih? 10 ekor. Ikan apa namanya ini? Ketemu.
Berapa tawar bisa turun?
Ini anak-anak juga, bapak juga anak-anak.
Ini 30 banyak.
30.
Ini foto ini ruwet.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Lelong Market is one of the fish market in Makassar city beside Poutere. Lelong Market is in Jalan Rajawali, Makassar city. Here I meet with friendly fish traders to the customer. And here I also found one type of shellfish that I have never seen before. Makassar people call it kerang toge. After I got around the market, then I do interview with one of the fish traders here. From the result of my brief interview, I got information about first, the traders sold by these traders are not obtained directly from fishermen, but through intermediaries of the marine service in the market. The second, fish prices here are influenced by several things: the number of fish, the size of fish or weight of the fish, and you will get a slightly different price when you buy fish that has been in the fillet. Fish sold here is so fresh because the fish come in the early morning every day.
Now we are in a Pottery fish market, and then we want to know about the fish price in here, and then we are compare in the Lelong market before. Let's.
This time we are in a pottery. Just like in the previous Lelong market, here the traders are also very welcome to the customer. But the difference is, the traders here more than in the Lelong, and the price of the fish here is slightly cheap than in the Lelong. It is affected by, first, the number of traders who create price competition. The second, the market location right at the port. The third, fish condition that is not too fresh more. The last one is sanitation here, which I think is not good because there are many water puddles. So, if you ask to me about where to buy fresh and cheap fish, I would recommend it to you to buy the fish in a Lelong market than in Pottery. Although the price is slightly more expensive, but you will get the fresh fish and better market condition. I think enough for this time. I hope you enjoy with my video project, and thank you for watching.